Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to our channel, and this is a new chapter of this Ferrari as I was supposed to fix this Mercedes here. So I'm still ongoing to fix the fuel pump and the starter motor and the crankshaft sensor. So I have to set all to the system so whether it can start or not. So come back to this car. The car has been here for so long and it's been to workshop in and out. So the workshop ruined a lot of things and destroyed almost the electric system of the car. So I'll show you what they have done. You can see how the damage. They put a wire into the ECU, you can see that, and they have ruined all the dashboard, and especially this, there's some to here, it's actually here, so they mess up all those. I don't know what happened with them done so far, and also they have take out the intermittent food. They forgot to put to cover those main foods. There's supposed to be a firewall here and here. So wherever the spark come out, we'll put the fire. So it needs to be protected. And so the car is manual transmission, but it's actually AMG. So it's automated manual transmission. So on the left side is the operating system where they have the pump, the electric pump, and underneath is the manual transmission, which have another module that change gears as well for the class as well. So I'll show you. It's on the right side of the gearbox, and you can see this is a reservoir tank. Reservoir tank, and it's the accumulator here, and it's the electric pump. So it's very similar to other cars. So I'll be hopefully to fix up the car, but we have a lot of issues with the car. So look on, they'll focus on the Mercedes